Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily add a business location on Snapchat, so let's jump right into it. First, of course, we go ahead and open Snapchat. And then after that, tap on the Bitmoji on the top left corner of the screen right here. It will take you to your profile. Once you're there, scroll down until you find Snap Maps. Once you find it, tap right under it. It will take you to this next screen right here. Now once you're here, scroll down again until you find Suggest a Place, tap on it. Now this is the place you are looking for. From here, all you need to do is to fill in the information and the details about the business, including the name, the category in which this business takes place, and of course the address of this business. You can add the phone number and the website if the business has one. You can even mention the hours in which this business works, and you can even add photos. Once you're done, just tap on Submit in the bottom right here, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.